What is going on, everybody, and welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel, your host for today's activities. So, we are doing our Friendsgiving. So we are getting everything cleaned up and moved around and whatnot, just to get everything straight for everybody. Just wanted y'all to come along with the ride. We'll sit here and videotape our dinner and preparations and everything that comes along with it. As the guests come in, we'll catch them on the ride in and everything else. Let me show you how we have things set up at the moment, though. Be right back. Right now, you can see that Electra is outside. Then you also have Minion, Stormy, and Mr. Maxwell decided to come down from West Virginia and come play with us for a little bit. So he is going to be here. We got one of the trucks over there. We got the Shadow and the other truck over there. And as you'll see later, all this will be full. So at this point, you'll see that the garage is cleaned up. My parents and their friends are coming over. They like to play dominoes, so they will be playing in this area. Have the heat on for them, and they'll be comfortable in there. And let me show you what's going on inside. I'll be right back. And I wanted to also show y'all our outside fridge. You have some adult beverages, a little bit of foodage there, beverages for the diet people, non-diet also there, a little bit of wine, more adult beverages, a little bit of wine down there, a couple of energy drinks. So we are prepared for whatever out here. Let me take you inside now. Alright, I'm going to start off in here. This is my, I guess, mini office. Like that new chair right there? I do. I love that chair. I ordered another one. But anyway, let me show you what we have going on around here. Alright, this will be the dessert table once everything gets put out. We have a few cookies, pretzels, crackers, a little bowl of candy. We have a couple of pies, and then what everybody else decides to bring in. And then we're coming up here. Oh, I don't know if y'all see Maxwell, he's in camo, but he's over there. We got dishes that are gonna come out here. We're gonna have some meatballs up in here. Not quite, we just started with them, so they'll be a little ready in a bit. And then coming to this refrigerator, a little more of the same. We definitely got food. So once people get here, I'll come back and we'll start this thing up. See you in a bit. We're also going to have a little drink station in here, right there. And then we'll have these tables straightened out, and then the food will be draped across here and here. And then, as you can see, everything else is cleaned up and ready to go. So yeah, this time we'll catch you when people are here. Alright everyone, now the festivities have begun. Sorry that it's a little dark out here and trying to stay in the light a little bit. But oops, sorry about that, guys. But as you can see, I will show you here in a second, that we're starting to get a little crowd in. So hold on real fast. So far this is what we got going on. More to come. And I don't know if you could see across outside, but out there we also have people. So let me go inside and show you what we got going on. Let's see who we run into.
Yeah, he practices it. They've done that more out there. The boys.
Alright everyone, so we are in full party mode now. I want to go ahead and try to show you everybody that's here. I'm going to start outside, show you some of the vehicles if you can see them. If not, I'm sorry, it's dark. I'll try to brighten them up and edit, but we'll go from there. So hold on real fast. Alright, well, it's hard to see at night what we have, but we have a line of cars everywhere. Kind of go over here. We'll go inside and talk to the people, see what is happening. So yeah, we'll be back. All right, let's stroll in here and see who we can run into. Hey.
That was ultra close.
Yep. So we got Bristol, Riley, Brandon, Casey, Mark, Amy. Oh, look, Amy says hi now. Then we have Kevin and Chris and Terrence and a whole gang of people up in here. Brad, Jordan, we can do a
Subscribe.
we can do a
Make sure you hit that notification button, subscribe, like, comment.
Oh God. Oh hell. I would have a chance.
It's only 100. What is going on, everybody? This is the next day after Friendsgiving, excuse me. I don't know exactly what you're gonna get out of the video. It was really busy. People were in and out all night long. And like I said, I did the earlier part, but like I said, I don't know how much I actually got put on, but I wanted to put a closure on the video at this point if I post it, because everybody at the end of the night they went up to Drive Shack, which is like Top Golf here too also, and kind of dispersed it in that way, but everybody had a good time. I still have some stragglers hanging around the house. We have Maxwell sleeping, Brandon sleeping, Derek is passed out upstairs, so we just got kind of what's going on, but it seemed like everybody had a good time, and we'll probably do it again sometime. Try to get a little more videos. Like I said, it was just hard for me to keep up with everything that was going on. I was everywhere, literally. I don't know if y'all use Fitbits or whatever. I had like 15,000 steps just going around the house all day yesterday. So, but anyway, I just wanted to say I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving holiday. We'll catch you on the Christmas video. I think we want to do an ugly sweater party, and we'll figure all that stuff out later on. But y'all have a good rest of your weekend. Bright and early for work tomorrow, and we'll do it again. See you on the next one.